Hey, I'm Bridget A, and welcome to Drunk Dog Creative. Something really exciting just happened. I've come home to find my Stampin' Up delivery here. And these are items from the brand new catalog that isn't releasing until May 1st. But as a hobby demonstrator or demonstrator, I had early access. So I thought, because we can't share the catalog with you till you get a hard copy or until May 1st, I'm going to share with you the products that I've ordered as part of the pre-order. I'm so excited. And this is going to include the new 2024 to 2026 InColor colors. Are you ready for the reveal? I've got the box here. I've got a blade. I'm just ripping it open. This video is unedited and raw, so what you get is what you get. I am so excited. I cannot wait to see these in person. All right, move the box. Let's take the filling out. Oh my goodness, there is so much in here that is so exciting. Well, that's not new, but I've ordered another one of those punches that make great sentiment tags. Here's the first little sneak peek. These are some ribbons I've ordered in some brand new colors. Now, let's see if I get this right. This one is Pretty in Pink. This one is Peach Pie. Then we've got, can I remember this? Summer Splash and Petunia Pop. And what is this one? Shy Shamrock. And there's a new basics color, Basic Beige. So you've got Basic White, Basic Black, and now Basic Beige. Those are just the ribbons. Oh boy, where do I put all this stuff? I've got some little sparkly gems in the new colors. And of course, I've got the ink pads in the new colors. So here we go. Peach Pie, Shy Shamrock, Pretty in Pink, Petunia Pop, Summer Splash. Those are the 5 in colors for 2024 to 2026. If I can hold them up the right way, you can see there's a blue, a green, a purple, a pink, and a genuine peach, which is kind of a missing color in our set. So this is exciting. So those will be in for 2 years. And then the Basic Beige. I have waited so long for a beige color. We really needed that. Of course, I got the Stampin' Blends for them all and the Stampin' Right markers. If you haven't used those, you should try them. They are wonderful. There's some more Stampin' Blends. I finally got a replacement for my liquid glue that I ran out of. A basic black paper, which is always there. Then I got each of the in colors in A4 cardstock. So let's do this little rainbow here. So there's cardstock for each of them. They also come as a single pack with a few sheets of each color. But I know I'm going to use these so much over the next 2 years that I went ahead and bought a whole pack of each color. And that's the great thing about being a hobby demo. I'm not actually doing this as a, oh, I still had my tag on my shirt. That's really embarrassing. Brand new, just bought it. Forgot to take the tag off. Okay, well, I'm not going to edit it or start over, so we're going to keep going and pretend that didn't happen. Because I'm a hobby demonstrator, so this isn't really a business for me. I donate most of the profit to charity, to Dogs and Rescue Australia, and other local charities sometimes. But I wanted the personal discount, and so I joined as a demonstrator, which means early access to the new products. So if you don't want to wait till May, hit me up and I'll help you become a demo so that you can get early access and the 20% minimum discount on your products. I ended up picking up a couple of customers and a couple of people joined my team. So it's sort of becoming a thing now. But I'm a professor by day. I'm a teacher at heart. So that's why I do the tutorial videos about my hobbies, because part of who I am is that I love to pass on knowledge and help other people discover new things. So if you want to become a demo and get early access to all the new stuff, this is a great time to tell me. It's $169 to join. And for that, you get to pick $235 worth of products. This is in Australia, and it's totally your choice of products. There isn't a set kit we give you. Any products to the value of $235, you pay $169. There's no real ongoing commitment. There's quarterly minimums, and if you don't meet those, then you drop off, and the next day sign up again if you want. But it's a great way to get early access, to get the ongoing discount, and to have some fun with friends. Anyways, let's get on with it. This is a new 6x6 paper called Thoughtful Journey. And I'm going to create some interesting cards with these. They're beautiful landscapes that are really sweet and pretty. There's the other one. Then there's the InColor Designer Series paper. So there's a Designer Series paper that's double-sided with 2 patterns that matches all of the new colors. There's your basic beige cardstock. And of course, I can't get by without the basic white thick. I use that for everything. This is a Designer Series paper called Thoughtful Designs. It's a 12 by 12 ombre, and it's sort of designed to go with the new colors, but it goes with Cajun Craze, Calypso Coral, Lost Lagoon, Misty Moonlight, Mossy Meadow, Petunia Pop, Pretty Peacock, and Wild Wheat. So there's a bunch of different color ombre sheets in there. And I got some 12 by 12 cardstock in the new colors. It's a pack with all of the new colors in it, because some people are starting to do scrapbooking as well, especially with Close to My Heart closing, and their demonstrators being able to join us at Stampin' Up. Now, this is really cool. This is a Dotted Circles 3D embossing folder, and it's really big. It's like 5 by 7 size. How many times have I needed a big folder and not had it? And this design is just so cool. Kind of reminds me of Indigenous dot art here in Australia, but I think I'll get a lot of use out of that. Then there's a stamp and die set in the new catalog called Unbounded Love, and it's a stamp set with a whole bunch of sentiments on it that I think are just beautiful. And I really needed some more sentiments. Then there's a coordinating die set that's a little bit different. I'm going to actually open this so you can see it, because the cover doesn't tell you anything. Let's see if we can. So this is the Unbounded Love dies. And you can see that there are some beautiful shapes that go with, that are sized to fit the sentiments, and also some beautiful floral that you can cut to go with the sentiments. So that's Unbounded Love. There's heaps more of new products coming. We can't pre-order all of them. We're kind of, there's only some that we can pre-order, but luckily they were ones that I really wanted. My wish list, I set up a wish list in Excel by priority, and it's way longer than is practical to afford in this economy that we're in. But over the coming months, I'll order a little bit at a time. But don't forget, as a hobby demonstrator, which is still an independent demonstrator, the discount really makes it worthwhile. But Stampin' Up! Products are really good quality and really good value compared to a lot of other brands I've tried. So I'm really happy to craft with them. I'm going to be bringing a new tutorial soon on a one-sheet wonder. It's designed for a 6-inch by 6-inch piece of paper, but I've designed 4 different sets. So you can also do a 12 by 12 or 4 different 6 by 6 one-sheet wonders. So that'll probably be a week or 2 away before it's finished. I have been making cards like mad, and I think you're going to really like it. I'll give you a really sneak peek of one set, if I can find them here. So using this sweet, I can't remember the name of it, but this is a sneak peek of one of the 4 one-sheet wonder designs. And I've made a lot of alternatives that don't use stamps or that use ribbons or that use embossing folders to give you lots of ideas. So keep an eye out on drunkdogcreative.com, so drunkdogcreative.com, or Drunk Dog Creative on YouTube. The full tutorial is always on the blog, on the website. The video is always on YouTube, but also on the blog. So the blog gives a little more information. And of course, you can follow me on socials, on Instagram and on Facebook. And if you're into the crochet stuff I do, Ravelry is another one to follow me on. Have a great day. Get excited about the new catalog. If you want a copy, like a hard copy, jump on drunkdogcreative.com or find my email on socials. So bridgeta@drunkdogcreative.com and let me know. Otherwise, on May 1st, I will release the digital version on the blog. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching the unboxing.